Welcome back to our DP-203 certification series. Today we're covering the Develop Data Processing section, which makes up 40 to 45% of the exam. First, let's talk about ingesting and transforming data. You'll need to design and implement incremental data loads, transform data using Apache Spark and Transact-SQL, and use tools like Azure Synapse Pipelines, Azure Data Factory, and Azure Stream Analytics. Next, you'll learn to cleanse data by handling duplicates, missing data, and late-arriving data. Techniques include using Azure Stream Analytics for exactly once delivery and configuring error handling. Moving on to batch processing solutions, you'll develop these using Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, Azure Databricks, Azure Synapse Analytics, and Azure Data Factory. Key tasks include creating data pipelines, scaling resources, and handling exceptions. For stream processing, you'll create solutions using Stream Analytics and Azure Event Hubs, process data with Spark structured streaming, handle schema drift, and manage checkpoints and watermarking. Lastly, you'll manage batches and pipelines by triggering batches, handling failed loads, and scheduling data pipelines in Azure Data Factory or Azure Synapse Pipelines. That's a quick overview of the Develop Data Processing section for DP-203. Stay tuned for more exam insights and tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Visit searchmarket.com for real exam questions.